So let's answer another actual board exam question under criminology area, particularly in criminological research. So the question is, the social value of a research topic does not, however, excuse the researcher from violating the human rights or dignity of study participants, which is ethical issue where before agreeing or declining to participate, participation are informed about the study's goals, risk, and funding. So ang choices natin, letter A, voluntary participation, letter B, informed consent, letter C, confidentiality, and letter D, fidelity. So when we apply the process of elimination, the first to eliminate is letter D, which is fidelity. Pag sinabi natin fidelity, tandaan nyo lang, as a researcher, it is your obligation to remain faithful to one's commitment. Again, pag sinabi natin fidelity as a researcher, it is your obligation to remain faithful to one's commitment. Of course, that is included, it includes keeping promises. So that is fidelity. You must remain faithful to your commitment. Then, ang next natin na tatanggalin dyan is confidentiality. So, pag sinabi natin confidentiality, as a researcher, whatever information or whatever data you gathered from your respondents or from your informants, so do not divulge it without the consent from the subject. Again, ulitin natin, pag sinabi natin confidentiality, ibig sabihin, whatever information you gathered from the respondent or from the subject, do not divulge it without the consent first from the subject. So that is confidentiality. So ang next natin na tatanggalin dyan is voluntary participation. So tandaan ninyo, pag sinabi natin voluntary participation under the ethical considerations of research, so dapat hindi puwersa. So the respondents or the subject hindi dapat nakaranas na they are forced to participate in study or na-intimidate sila. So that is voluntary participation. So meaning, dapat the subject must submit themselves voluntarily to the process of research. So yan ang tinatawag natin, class, na voluntary participation. So ang sagot natin dyan is the informed consent. Pag sinabi kasi natin informed consent, you need to ask first the permission from the subject, or kapag naman minor ang magiging respondent sa study mo or included in the study, so you need to ask first or you need to seek permission first from the guardian. So that's why ang sagot natin dito, that is letter B, informed consent. So I hope na intindihan kayo, naunawaan. So study also or master the different ethical considerations in research. So don't forget to share this video.